I'm back, everybody. Welcome back to Gamble with Jimmy. We are going to play another new strategy, and this one is called Inside Out. Inside Out. I'm sorry, it's called In and Out. 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 You're going to get in, you're going to get out. Okay? All right. So how we're going to play is we'll be off on the come out. No pass line or anything. No pass line, no don't, nothing like that. Okay? All right, so we're going to play in and out. All right, so we're going to start it off with $30 each on the 6 and the 8. Okay, we're going to hit an 8. We're going to get $35. Okay, we got our $35. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to come down on our 6 and 8. Okay, and we're going to put $35 on the 10. Here we go. 7. Okay, we're going to lose the profit. Okay, we're going to start again. There's an 11. 7. 9 is the point. Okay, we're going to go on the 6 and the 8. Here we go. There's an 11. And there is a 7. Okay, we're going to lose the $60. Okay. Point is a 9. Okay, we're going to go with $120 each. 4. 4. 9, that's the point. Okay, we'll be off on the come out. That's a 3. 5. Okay, we're working. 6. 140. We'll take 150 and we'll give them 10. Okay, we're coming down. Okay, we've got 140 here, right? So we'll get the correct amount that we won. All right, we're gonna go 100 on the 4, 40 on the 10. Here we go. 8. 9. 10. Okay, we got $40 on the 10. That is going to pay 80. So we'll take 100. We'll give them a quarter, and they'll give us a nickel. Okay, so we're going to rack that up. Okay, we'll come down on the 10. And we'll keep our 4 there. Okay, so let's analyze what's happened. We won $80 plus the 40. No matter what happens, this is free. Okay, here we go. There's another 10. A 9. An 8. 6. 9. 2. 8. 6. 11. 9. 11. 10. 4. $200. Okay, we're going to come down on that. We'll put a quarter each on the 4 and the 10. And there's the 7, so we'll give back $50 basically. Okay, Start it over. 3. 8 will be the point. Okay, we're going to go 30 and 30 on the 6 and 8. 5. 5. 4. 7. Point is a 9. We'll just go 60 each. 8. Okay, that's going to be $70. Okay, now here's what you're going to do. You're going to put back the 60 that you lost when you had 30 and 30. You're going to put back that $60, okay? You're going to reduce this to $30 each. You're going to put $10 of your profit on the 4. Okay, here we go. 3. 4. Going to pay 20 bucks. We'll just take a quarter and give them a nickel. Okay, put that quarter on the 10. And there's a 10. Okay, that's going to pay $50. Okay, that $50 is almost going to protect you here. Okay, so we're just going to rack that. 8. 35. Okay, we're going to rack that up. We're going to come down on the 6 and the 8. And now we're just free rolling. 6. 4. 20 bucks. 6. 3. 7. Okay, we're going to lose the 10 and the 25 here. Start it over. 8 will be the point. 30 and 30. 2. 9. 7. Going to lose this 60. 9. 60 each. 5. 9 is the point. We're going to be off. 10 is the point. 10 got hit. We're going to be off. 6 is the point. We're going to be working. 9. 8. $70. Okay, we're going to go ahead and reduce our 6 and 8 to 30. Okay, so what we did was we got back the 60 that we lost. So we're going to rack the 60, and we're going to put 10 on the 4. That's an 8. 35. Okay, we're going to put the whole 35 on the 10, and we're coming down on the 6 and 8. And now you have free bets on the 4 and the 10. That is pure profit. And there's a 4. $20. Okay, you're racking the money. 8. 5, 10, $50. Oh, no, more than that. We have 35 there, so $70. We'll take 75 and give them a nickel. Okay, we're just going to stay up. 7. All right, we're going to lose this. Here we go. 8 will be the point. 5, 11, hard 10, 9, 7. We're going to lose 60. 10 will be the point. 60 each. 5, 8, $70. 75 for a nickel. We'll give them a nickel. Okay, these are going to get reduced. Now, had we not lost that $60, these would have still been 30, and as soon as we win that $35, we would come down here, and then your profit would just go to a 4 and a 10, or you could just put it on one of the numbers on the outside. So you're basically just free rolling your outside. But when you lose before you win, then you have to stay up. These got to go to 60. You get your hit. You immediately pocket your $60 back and reduce these to 30. And now if you get another hit, you go ahead and put it on. So it's like, in other words, it's like you're just restarting over because you got your money back. You didn't win any money. You won $10, okay? Now you can take your $10 and put it on your 4 because that's profit, okay? Here we go. Okay, there's a 12. Okay, that's going to be a 7. So unfortunately, this is profit, but this is not. So we have to treat this now as we go back to 60-60 because we didn't win any money at all. We actually lost $60 because of that 7. Okay. Okay, a 9 will be the point. So we know we're down from that shooter $60. Okay, but not anymore. Now we're getting 70. So we're going to get 70. So we'll put 10 on the 4. And then we're going to rack the 60 because it's really 70. We're going to rack that 60, which paid us back from the 30 and 30. So all we're doing is reducing it as if it never happened. The only difference is now we have a free 4 going on. And there's a 4. Okay? So you're going to get $20. Now you're going to rack that $20. Okay? You can either rack it or you could put the 20 on the 10. Okay? But keep in mind, you still have 60 out here that you're keeping out here. So we're going to rack the 20 because now it's like we're only investing $40 of our own money. Okay, now there's another 4. Okay, so that's another 20. So we'll take a quarter for a nickel. Okay, so now this free money has earned $40. So now it's only like you're going to lose $20 if you throw a 7. Okay, here we go. Okay, there's a 9. That's the point. Okay, we'll be off. There's another 9. Point goes back to the 9. There's an 11. There's another 9. We'll be off. And there's a 10. Okay, there's a 5. and there's a 6. Okay, so now we're going to be completely out of danger. Now it's just pure profit from here, because we're going to get 35. And now this comes down, so there is no investment. There is no more investment, okay? And now you could go ahead and put $10 more on the 4 1/4 on the 10, okay? So no matter what happens, you already got your money back, and you already have $40 from the shooter that you took in profit, plus this is profit. So that's totally up to you whether you want to, whether you want to cash out or whatever you want to do. Okay, there's a 6, a 3, a hard 10. There you go. That's $50 more. Okay, so now no matter what, that one hit has paid for the 4 and 10. I mean, the 4 and 10 were already paid for, but now, in other words, it's like if the 7 comes, it was like the 7 didn't come. Okay, so now you kind of analyze where you are on the session. Okay, so if you look at this, we used to have 100 gone from this rack. This rack's full now, so 5,000's here. So this is 5,100, 52, 53, 54, 55. I mean, guys, we're up a lot of money. So we're going to come down. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's 200, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, we got $630 that quick on this system. $630. And most of the time, we were gambling with profits. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. That's Gamble with Jimmy's in and out. In and out, okay? In and out. That means make your money and go. And it means we're starting in and we're going out, okay? All right, guys, give me a like on the video real quick if you don't mind. Support the channel. Now, listen, guys, the people who support the channel, they're the ones that are keeping this channel alive. I'm just being honest with you. The people, the Baccarat players, especially, are the ones that keep this channel alive. Craps players, not as much. Okay, just being honest with you guys. Okay, you guys can thank my Baccarat players for showing craps. To be quite honest with you, if it wasn't for the Baccarat players, there would be no craps videos. That's a fact, Jack. That is a fact. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Go to gamblewithjimmy.com. Support the channel by doing an order. If you guys win money, hey, give back by supporting the channel. Go to the channel, get some private strategies. I've got a lot of loyal guys, man. I've got a lot of loyal people. I got people that constantly go to the channel and buy from me at least once a month. And they're the same people all the time that are supporting this channel. So thank you to each and every one of you guys that support the channel. Thank you guys and have a great day.